and Taros Magdael. Sila busy, sila dala sa likod. Sa kanya ka-interest nyo yung mga musika. Answer. Let's all stand up, please. Requesting everyone to stand up as we are about to welcome the birthday girl. I-ready na nyo ang inyong mga camera para i-video. It is my pleasure and my honor to introduce to you our birthday celebrator. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Sophia Elise Magdael. Non-stop na para kang birthday. Palakpakan na may kasamang iyawan for Iya! Very demure, very cutesy. Once again, let's give the birthday girl a big round of applause.